Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Calendar and confirming you're signed into the correct Google account. This ensures changes sync. Once done, reveal the right side panel and enable tasks if it's hidden. Tasks must be active to change colors. Now locate the task you want to recolor, either on the calendar grid or inside a specific tasks list. You'll need that task selected to access its settings. Make sure the task belongs to a list you can edit, otherwise color options won't appear. With the task open, click the three-dot menu or the color swatch near the task title to access color options. This exposes list-based color controls. You're changing the list color rather than an individual task color. Google ties task color to its list, so choose or edit the list color to affect all tasks inside. If you need a custom hue, pick a closest preset. Google doesn't offer a full color picker here, so adjust list names or organize tasks into different lists. After selecting a color, save or close the task to apply changes, then refresh your calendar to ensure the color renders across devices. If the color didn't change, move the task to another list with the desired color. This is the reliable workaround because colors are list level. If problems persist, make sure Tasks is enabled, you're editing the right account, and Sync is active on mobile. If necessary, sign out and back in, or update the app to clear caching glitches so colors display correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.